Thank you very much.
Pace yourselves,
Hello, good morning. Thanks for joining us here on my channel once again. We start with another bike ride. This is the Mega Midland Monster, starting in South Derbyshire in a place where I love the sound of, Swaddling Coat. We're heading into through Derbyshire into the Peak District. So we're just getting a briefing and about to head off onto the road. As for the ride itself, it's 140 miles today. There's about 3,000 metres of climbing. So quite a long day in the saddle really. It's supposed to be a nice sunny clear day though, so light winds. It's going to be a good one. Bit of off-road. Punch it. I don't like that sound. Punch it before you get through the bus line. Clear. I've yet to tell you what the sort of featured climb is of today's ride, and I did mention in last week's video, but in case you didn't watch it, I'll let you know now as well. Well, before I do, I just want to put a link in the top corner of the screen to a ride that I took part in. Oh, it was just a solo ride actually, just myself, North Lincolnshire to North Wales last October. And on the way back over the Peak District, I went down this iconic climb. Notice I said down there, because this ride I'm going up it. And that iconic climb is Winnat's Pass. It's going to be a really tricky climb, hard work. It's going to be hard work not to pull my foot down. I'm going to give it my best shot. I must say I'm looking forward to it though. Few hours away yet. What a great day it's turned out to be though so far. Just realised you're looking at this video through vertical bars. What's going on? Let's see if we can fix that. Today sorted. No more black bars. I am definitely taking my sleeves off now. It's a little bit too much. Oh, you're joining me as we're just about to go up the first hill of the day. The memorable hill of the day. It's called Weaver Hill. Let's find out what it's going to be like. Lady from Tamworth behind me, from CC Gyro, and in front we've got Ed, who has travelled from Nottingham to be here this morning. Also not very far from the start of this ride. No doubt I'll probably be the furthest rider yet again, this time on four wheels. I am going up Weaver Hill, nearly at the top now. It's been like a big slog. Beautiful views though, look at this behind me. Amazing view that is. Avocado grid into the first feed station. Rattling across, see what they've got to eat. Oh. Well, just arrived at the first feed station today and discovered I've only got one battery for the camera, so I'm having to do some really short clips today. It's a great view, isn't it? Currently at the highest point in the ride, 478 metres above sea level. Third of the way around on the elevation gain. I don't know where we are, it's a beautiful sight though. Despite the gloomy weather, it's worth just getting a quick picture. Look at that, check that out. There's a big 20% climb behind us there as well. Don't know where that takes us. Maybe one day I'll find out. Stop quickly, grab another piece of video. No, don't know where we are. There's one near Thorncliffe. And we're exactly 500 metres above sea level. Well, arrived at the Courtyard Cafe in Hope. Now have some cup of tea, something to eat. I don't know, grab a sandwich maybe. We're reliably informed Winnat's Pass is only a couple of miles away, so I need to refuel before that. get the camera on the mount. Hello there, you alright? Are you looking forward to going up Winnats?
No, we're going to borrow your walking shoes, that's what we're going to do.
Who's thinking they might walk?
I'm 25.
I've got my hands half in the air. We just left the Courtyard Cafe about 5 minutes ago, maybe 10. Just heading to Winnats Pass. We're trying to record the entire ride, whether I'm cycling or walking. It's going to be interesting to say the least. Thank you very much.
Pace yourselves, pace yourselves. Well done, Amazing climb. Just gone all the way up Winnats Pass and I didn't put foot down once. I'm absolutely chuffed and pleased with myself. Oh wow. I did it. Wow. Just waiting for Ed to reach the top now. I think I looked back about twice. Head down. My head full attention was on the journey forward. That was amazing. Well, just turn the camera back on again. We're on our way through Millersdale to Tideswell. Nice scenic part of the Peak District. I'm wondering whether that banana will still be in your back pocket when we get to the end. So Millersdale, essentially the last final climb of the day, to be honest. Well, there's 83k to go, so it's nearly a job done. Here at CC Gyro's Mega Midland Monster Sportive. And it's been a hell of a day. Been some fantastic views here in the Peak District. But I'm really pleased to have gone up Winnats Pass. It's really been the highlight of my day. Oh.
There's Ed as well, he's just caught up. He's been down there taking a few pictures of the hills. Just continuing through Derbyshire. Just continuing through Derbyshire, just past Parsley Hay, which I visited last May, I think it was. One of the trails. Went down there on my mountain bike. One of the old disused railway lines here in Derbyshire. It's pretty much all downhill now to Ashbourne, which is the final feed station of the day. About 20 miles to go back to that beautiful, that weirdly named place, Swadlincote. I love saying that word, Swadlincote. So it's been a great ride.
Yeah, just please help yourself.
Oh, thank you very much. So that's it, I finished the ride. It's been just a great day, I've enjoyed every minute. It's been quite hilly, quite fast, lots of fast descents, lots of tough climbs. It didn't fail to impress really, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll catch you again next weekend. I'm off to Wales, it's the big one, it's the 600k. So until then, hope you have a good week. See you later.